7-seater SUV developed by Isuzu is the basis for the Isuzu MU-X 2025, which is an enhanced version of the vehicle. The Isuzu MU-X 2025, which is expected to be available in 2025, has undergone a number of improvements in terms of design, interior, engine, and technology. The exterior design is enhanced by the installation of a new grille, more aggressive front and rear bumpers, sharper LED headlights, and new LED taillights. All these changes have been made. Compared with the currently version, it is not expected that there will be any major adjustments to the overall size. Apart from that, the Isuzu MU-X 2024 also has several wheel size options, ranging from 17 inches to 20 inches in all dimensions. It is rumored that the 2024 Isuzu MU-X will be equipped with a new RZ4E diesel engine with a capacity of 1.9 liters, which is capable of producing 163 horsepower and 360 Newton-meter of torque. This vehicle is equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive that operates at all times.